If any of you have been watching my channel recently, you know that I've had trouble with my Simplex 4006 of it not working in the right way. I got a comment on that video. The CPU died and I needed to replace it. And then I was asking how you do that, and apparently you can't do that on my panel. So I just wanted to let you know that all the money that I earn on my channel is from viewers, and all the money I get goes to this channel, me posting content for you guys. So the more views I get, the more money I get for adding things to the channel. So I would like you to share my account and videos with your friends, or like, if you do that, then it can help me a lot, and I can post out more better content for you, so that I can get like stuff like panel, fire alarms, stuff for the channel. I'm making about $1 a day, like $2 a day or something. So with the way that this is going now, with the amount of viewers I have, it's gonna take me, like, I made $107 like since in June when I got monetized. June, July, August, September, 4 months. That took me 4 months, so it'll take me another 4 months just to get $200 with the way this is going. So it's gonna take me like a year and a half, like over that, probably like 2 years, just to get the money to buy a panel. So if you guys share and keep viewing my videos, the better the content will get. Oh, before the video ends, is I have a new system that I've been putting together. It's not the system that you've seen in the shed with the drywall. It is a system that's in my room, and it's honestly pretty cool in my opinion. But for most of the alarms on there, they're gonna need a panel. So the more views I get, the sooner you're gonna see that. Back to the video. All that being said, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video and a lot of my other ones. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.